Hello guys, I'm Brandon, my playthrough, and today we got 2 packs from the for birthday login. Alright, let's start it. Oh? Really? I thought that was going to be Cristiano now. Not too good, but it's alright. But now we got the final pack. Oh, team of the week. Oh. Never mind. That's really good. Wow. Never mind about what I said about that it wasn't gonna be good because of Spanish. 93 dribbling, 89 pass, 86 shooting. Holy cow. Alright, well guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys like, I hope you guys subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.